Hello farmers, welcome once again. This is Juan Green Tech Uganda. We are looking at developing the next steps in agriculture. Today we are talking on a very important aspect of farming, integrated pest management. We are looking at eliminating the effects of agriculture to the environment, to the ecosystem, to the people, to everyone, so that we can all enjoy agriculture. Today we are talking about sticky traps. This is one of the products which we have under IPM that can help to monitor your garden and ensure that you have low pest populations that can actually help you to manage your crops very, very, very well. Sticky traps, we are having a number of types. Specifically here, we are going to discuss two types of sticky traps. One according to color. This is the yellow, and we have the blue sticky traps. Do you think there is a reason why? Yes, there is a reason, because the color attracts different types of pests. And now in the greenhouse, we expect to have different pests, but this yellow is specifically for aphids, white flies, and others. But blue, as you can already see, this is for thrips. In areas where we expect a number of thrips, blue must be there. You can already see that blue has a number of pests compared to what we see on the yellow. We are having a number of grids where you see that the boxes are made. This is to help a farmer to count the number of pests which are actually in the greenhouse. If you put this sticky trap today and it is free of pests, then if you come tomorrow for monitoring and scouting, you'll find that maybe you have 5 insects. This one gives you a signal that actually I have gotten this kind of pest which is going to affect my crop. Then you are able to come up with a control measure when the population is still low. Let's say you put it today, tomorrow, maybe after 3 days, you find the whole sticky trap is full. Actually, it has maybe 100 or 200. That one shows you the population rate which you are on. And now that means you have to do the spraying in time. But why do we have to use sticky traps? Because we want to know the pest population when it is very low, so that we can apply the control measures that will not affect the environment, the applicator, and all that. If the population is high, it means it is difficult to control. For example, thrips, once they overproduce, they will even go to the soil, they will even go to the under the leaves, they go to the flowers, and the management will be very, very high. But with sticky traps, you are able to notice and understand the population which you have in the greenhouse, and this one can be managed in a short very time. And let's say you are doing 2 applications for a highly infested garden. Here you can be doing 1 application, and there you are not really affecting the environment, you are not affecting yourself and the consumers themselves. These sticky traps, basically they are put at young stages because we want to start with the production as you move on, so that you are able to manage the pests before they actually affect. This is a young stage of production, and you find this sweet pepper, it has just been transplanted. This is 1 week after transplanting, and now we put the sticky traps so that we are able to start from the young stage, in order to avoid any pests that can come and affect our crops. These sticky traps do not only work in the greenhouse. Someone may ask, can I only use in the greenhouse? No, you can even use in the open field, because it has gum which is very strong. Even if it is hit by rain, it can actually keep there and it will not have any problem. So it can be done in the open field and also in the greenhouse. These sticky traps can also be used for dairy farmers who have the cattle flies. In Uganda, it's called kawawa. This is a very, very disturbing fly. But as you can see, it can also attract flies, especially the blue one, which can be used in dairy farmers. and they can actually help to eliminate pests and also reduce the cost on other pesticides and all that. Thank you very much. This is about sticker traps, and we shall be there to answer questions at any point. Thank you.